Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a trick through which you will be able to download unavailable apps and games from Play Store itself without any issues whatsoever in your nation for free. Now there might be certain games and applications in your nation which are unavailable on Play Store, and basically if you search up for these applications and games they don't come up and you are not able to install them because of that. And even if they come up in the suggestions tab, then also if you press upon them, then they show that this particular game or application, you can say, is not available in your nation. As you can currently see on the screen, this is the error which I'm talking about. In this video I'm going to be telling you guys how you can fix this without any issues whatsoever, and not only install but also use these unavailable games and applications of Play Store in your country without any issues whatsoever for free. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to be showing you guys an example of this error. I'm going to open up Play Store in front of you guys right now. So I'm going to basically search for Play Store and open it. So as you can see, I'm inside Play Store and I'll search for an application called Deezer here. As you can see, Deezer is an online music player application, and as you can see in my country or nation India, it's not available. It doesn't show up if I search for it, and even if it shows up in the suggestions tab, then it's gonna simply show me the error which I just showed you guys at the starting of this video, that this particular application or game is not available in your nation. How to fix this? Well, first of all, you need to go on the link in the description, okay, and watch my previous video. In that video I tell you guys how you can install TunnelBear VPN, which is actually a virtual private network application from Play Store, and then also create an account on it. So watch that video and learn how to create an account after installing TunnelBear VPN from Play Store. Once you have done that, open it, and then here you get 500 megabytes of data per month. You can create multiple accounts from multiple other devices to get more data, or you can buy its membership to get more data. Now once you have reached here, you need to select a country or nation where you know the particular game or application you want to download is available. So I am selecting United States because I know Deezer is indeed available in United States Play Store. Now this is gonna change my phone's overall location to United States. Now it's not India, it's United States as per my mobile device or phone. And once it shows at the top of your screen a VPN logo, it means that it is activated and working, which is the case here. Now I'm gonna open Play Store again and switch to another account, which is what you need to do after this. If you don't have any other account, then create one and switch to that inside Play Store. And once you have switched to another account, then it's gonna load up, and now search for the particular game or application which was previously unavailable on Play Store, which is Deezer in this case. I'm gonna search for it, and as you can see, it's loading, and as you can see, it is available. I can easily install it without any issues whatsoever for free in my nation where it was unavailable on Play Store itself. Now I can get it from Play Store itself without any issues whatsoever. If the application or game which you have downloaded is an online application or game which works online, then make sure that your VPN is on while you're using it, because if it is not on, then your phone's overall location will be located by that particular application or game, and then it won't allow you to use it, because in the nation where you're using it, that particular application or game is restricted. But if the game or application which you have installed from Play Store using this VPN is offline, then there's no need of keeping this VPN on. You can turn it off if you want. Simply go back to the TunnelBear VPN application and turn this switch off, disconnect it, and that would be pretty much it. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, peace, have a nice day ahead. Bye bye for now, stay safe.